Hello guys, how are you guys doing? We're back with another video. My name is Prince and we have two sons over here. Muraho, Mezaneza. Hope you're doing well. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe and share it to your friends. In this video, our mom is going to be asking us questions in Rwandese and we're going to be trying to answer to translate, yes. We're going to be trying to translate them to English.
Ikibazo cya mbere ndakibaza Toussaint. Inka
Cow.
imaze iki mu buzima? Inka imaze iki mu buzima?
It has what in life? Cow.
Inka imaze iki mu buzima? Iyo umuntu ayifite imumarira iki?
Imuha amata. N'inyama. Yes.
Bravo.
Yes.
Ikibazo cya kabiri, ihene.
Sheep.
Sheep.
It's a sheep.
Ihene.
Oh. Goat.
Yeah.
Goat.
Go?
Yeah. Goat. Ihene. Oh, inkoko. Yeah, sorry. Yes, goat. Yes, goat.
Okay, goat imaze iki mu buzima? Ikora iki? Umuntu uyifite mu rugo imufasha iki? Imukorera iki? Imumarira iki?
Meat.
And then?
Oh,
Yeah.
No. Inyama.
Yeah.
Inyama na hari ikindi.
Hari ikindi? Yeah.
Inyama. Amata.
Okay, in Kinyarwanda bajya bavuga ngo ihene iyo umwana arwaye bwaki bakayikama ari amata. Bwaki ni ile magonjwa ya umwana aba atariye neza ahita arwara agacikama nk'umusatsi akaba nabi. So iyo wamuhaye ayo mashunushunu y'ihene yitwa mashunushunu not amata. Yes. So iyo wamuhaye umwana ahita amera neza. And then if itaguhaye inyama urayigurisha ikaguha amafaranga. Nakumbuka ile ingine ulikuwa umeita jina.
Inyama ni na
igwa amafaranga igwa
amata inyama inyama inkinki amashinishu yes.
Ikibazo cya kabiri tugiye kukibaza Toussaint. Urukwavu. Urukwavu.
Age. Urukwavu. Date of birth. Yes, kuzaliwa.
Owe.
Tangawizi. It's rabbit. We didn't pause.
Rabbit iko ichi. Prince. Fa.
Yani hiyo manyoya yake inakupatia wanatengeneza ngozi yani.
Inafanya
Vuga
mu Kinyarwanda.
Baguha hiyo ngozi. Sijui wanaweza tengeneza nguo ama yarn, stuff like that.
Okay. Aha, mbwira. Iya kamaro k'urukwavu. Akamaro.
Skin.
Skin inafanyanga nini? Ikora iki?
Can be used to make clothes, pieces of clothes.
Really?
Yes.
Have you get that?
I don't know. I'm not sure.
And the price?
Just meat. And meat.
Meat, Okay, in Kinyarwanda pia iyo aba amaraso yayo. I don't know kama nimesikia hiyo kitu ama ni vile tu. Amaraso yayo yahereza na none umwana urwaye.
Ni damu.
Alafu ubwoya bwayo ubwoya ili yawe skin yayo. Mtu akichomeka, umuntu iyo ahiye wanaweka hiyo ubwoya alafu inapona. But I don't know. I'm not a doctor.
Ati umesema damu ni nini tena?
Wanaikunywa. Wanainywa. Yeah.
Na hiyo nyama wanakulanga.
Na nyama yake wanakulanga. Yeah.
Okay. Usikishule tushaipika.
All right. Kindi kibazo. Prince, imbeba.
Rat.
Rat iko iki?
eats food at food that people eat. It steals food. It's a thief.
Okay. Alright, ikibazo tuse ikinyenzi.
Ikinyenzi. Cockroach.
Yay! Praise. Inkoko.
Chicken.
I told him.
Tuse imbata.
Bat. Bata.
Ile inaingia kwa maji ama watu wako nayo kwa nyumba ni kama
fish.
No.
Kama kuku.
Inakaa kama kuku.
Okay.
Inakaa kama kuku.
Okay.
Watu wanaweza kuwa nayo kwa nyumba ama wakui nayo. You get?
No. Nini?
Imbata.
Ya maji.
No, sometimes kuna hizo za maji zinaitwa imbata, but zinakaa kuku. Kuna zingine watu wanakuanga nayo kama kuku kwa nyumba. Na hizo zina
I'm not understanding.
Duck.
A
duck.
You know a duck?
Najua duck.
Si ndio hiyo, si ni mbata.
Mimi sijaiona mtu akikaa na duck as pets.
Sio, wanakaa nazo kama nani? Kama kuku.
Kama kuku.
Yeah, kwa nyumba.
Oh, okay.
Sure.
I didn't know.
Walai.
I didn't know.
Oh, okay. Next.
Yes.
Who is that?
Tuse.
Friends.
See, me nimejibu last. I just answered the last question.
Which one?
The duck.
The
Okay,
imbata?
yes.
Imbata, it was for 2 cents.
Yeah,
but
but
he
I
answered, so ask me again.
Okay. Ingamia.
Cow. Donkey. Ngoja. Donkey, sindio? Ama horse. Is it horse? Donkey.
No.
Ngo which?
Ingamia.
Ngamia. I'm thinking of Kiswahili.
Sema kwa Kiswahili tusikie.
Ngamia.
Kwa Kiingereza?
You don't know what ngamia is?
I feel like it's a donkey or a horse.
Okay, Prince. Tell us.
Camel.
Me, you're disgusting. Me, I'm not understanding. No.
Okay, 2 cents.
Yes.
Ni wewe mbasa kaja ni mbasa Prince. Tuse. Farasi.
Horse.
Bravo. Prince. Imga.
Dog. Yes.
Dog maziki mu buzima bw'abantu.
It provides security,
Companionship.
Nice.
and some places it's eaten.
Hawezi ongea kwa Kinyarwanda kidogo tu.
Yes.
Ahandi hanu baraidi.
Ahandi hanwe.
China.
Are you sure you know that?
Maybe.
Yeah, but
Yes.
Okay, you guess it. Okay. Alright. 2 cents. Injangwe.
This is all any animals.
Yeah.
Me, I'm thinking of the jungle.
It's animal.
Injangwe.
Injangwe. Yes. Injangwe.
I don't know.
Really? Friends, injangwe nichi.
I'm gonna guess
Injangwe,
because they have the same jaguar.
Jaguar?
Yeah.
Jaguar.
Lion.
Tiger. Cheetah.
Mama, imezagute.
Eh?
Imezagute hiyo injangwe.
Injangwe ni lion.
Pussy.
Yes.
Akali. Injangwe.
Kwa Kinyarwanda.
That's new.
Does it live in the forest?
Injangwe?
It's a cat.
Or is just
No, there's kuna zile zinaishi huko.
Yeah, but like, is that one just a regular cat?
No, injangwe is injangwe. Injangwe is injangwe.
Just a house cat. I'm a pussy yoyote tu.
Yes. Okay. Nje kwabwira ibintu byo mu nzu kubabaza.
Ninde nje ama
Ninde warubaje Injangwe ninde nayibaje?
Two cents.
Tuse?
Prince Akaji. Prince answer.
Okay. Ngiye kubabaza ibintu byo mu nzu. Intebe. Okay, Prince. Ameza. Imeza.
Table.
Okay. Imitako tuse.
Bato. Imitako. Pillows.
Imitako.
Ngoja. Decoration.
Yeah, it's decoration. Imitako is decoration.
Okay.
Uburiri.
Painting.
Prince.
Huh?
Uburiri.
Bed. Easy.
Okay. Ingwe.
Ingwe.
Outside tujye hanze. Ingwe.
Ingwe.
Mm.
Car.
Maybe
car.
Kakani.
No. Never mind. Ingwe. Ingwe. I'm failing.
Really?
I'm failing.
I'm winning so far.
I'm very failing.
Even you? Ingwe.
Sky?
Umeshindwa ingwe to say? Can you search?
How do
Search
you spell?
ingwe. E kama ni E. I like kwa Kiswahili ingwe.
Ingwe.
Yeah.
Ingwe meaning. Leopard.
Yeah.
Leopard. Oh.
Okay.
It's gonna check. Oh, you know, nikisearch Ingwe inanionyesha, it showed me a team for Kenya, like a football team inaitwa Leopard FC.
Oh yeah. So leopard ni ingwe kwa Kinyarwanda. Okay, ninde mbaza? Prince. Prince, intare. Intare. Intare.
Lion.
Intare.
Lion. Mom, it's me.
How did you know?
It's me. Guess. I'm.
You are guessing.
I was just guessing.
Okay. Wambaza ninde? Ingurube.
Pig. Easy.
Even me, I could have gotten that.
Okay. Ninde mbaza?
Tuse.
Okay. Tuse.
Yeah.
Inzoka.
Snake.
Easy.
Ala.
Well, easy. Easy.
Okay. Right. Okay. So, muniambie migani nabigishe mu Kinyarwanda because the question is finished. I'm done with the question.
Go ati.
I'm done with the
No,
question.
hiyo ya kwanza.
Nini?
I didn't understand the first.
Which one?
The one you said.
Inzoka?
No.
What?
What we're doing.
Mugiye kumbwira imigani. Ya migani nababwiye cyaje.
Imigani niki?
The one you were feeling.
Verbs.
The one you were feeling.
Verbs. Okay.
Ni verbs ama ni?
Ni riddles, I think.
Inaitwa ngaje?
Sema moja.
I don't know. I just use my
Wait, tongue
emotions.
twister.
Hiyo zinaitwa
Not tongue twisters. They're easy to do. I think it's a saying. Maybe it's a saying.
Okay, bya bindi nabigishe nkabwira umanika hagati wicaye wajya ukamanura ugahaguruka.
Tongue twister.
Yeah, but no. Doesn't tongue twisters. Repeat.
Umanika hagati wicaye wajya ukamanura ugahaguruka.
I think that's a saying. Or a yeah, that's a saying.
To start answer.
Okay, let me start. Say.
Umanika hagati wicaye.
Wait, Mom, let him start.
Umanika.
Let him start.
Umanika hagati wicaye.
No.
Umanika.
So repeat
I
that.
repeat.
Umanika hagati wicaye.
Umanika hagati wicaye.
Wajya kukamanura.
Wajya
kukamanura. Kukamanura. Ugahaguruka. Yes. Ngaho subiramo byose. Umanika hagati wicaye. Wajya kukamanura. Ugahaguruka. Go repeat all of them.
Wajaga.
Umanika gati.
Mom.
Say it.
Umanika gati.
Friends, umanika gati wicaye wajya ukamanura gaho. Umanika gati.
If you give me
Umanika.
hard ones, me you give me easy ones.
Okay.
Yes.
Umanika.
Agati.
Umanika agati gahago.
Umanika gati wicaye.
Uga. Umanuka agati wicaye.
Umanika agati wicaye.
Umanika agati wicaye.
Wajya kukamanura.
Wajya kukamanura.
Ugahaguruka.
Ugahaguruka.
Yes.
Umanika.
Okay.
Umanuka ibiti wicaye.
Umanika gati wicaye.
Umanika agati wicaye. Wajya guhaguruka.
Wajya kukamanura ugahaguruka.
Wajya kukamanura ugahaguruka.
Subira.
That one's too hard.
Okay.
Too hard now.
Okay, let me say another one. I don't think it will be simple because I know you are nothing is this simple.
Just don't say too long.
Okay.
Say short ones.
Let me see short ones. How can I see? I have one short one.
See that day you're telling me short ones.
Which one?
I can't remember.
Why you don't?
They're too hard.
And you said it was short.
So see, I'm not good at rallies.
He? Mbona mimi hata nimeishiwa. Tuse ngiye kukubwira usubiremo. Ahanze ubwana.
Ahanze ubwana.
Hamera ubwanwa.
Hamera ubwanwa. Ubwanwa.
Subiramo. Ahanze ubwana.
Ahanze ubwana.
Hamera ubwanwa.
Hamera ubwana. Ahanze ubwana. Ubwanwa. Sindio?
Ahanze ubwana hamera ubwanwa.
Ahanze
ubwana.
Ahanze ubwana.
Hamera ubwanwa.
Hamera ubwanwa.
Yes.
Ahanze ubwana. Ubwana. Hamera ubwana.
Subafuzi. Usibiyemo byose. Ahanze ubwana hamera ubwanwa.
Ahanze ubwana hamera ubwana.
Ubwanwa.
Ubwanwa.
Ubwanwa ni iki?
Ndango mbizi. Chin.
Mustache.
Mustache. Oh.
Hey, najua.
Mom,
I'm winning
inamaanisha
super.
nini? What does it mean?
Ahanze ubwana hamera ubwanwa. Nyine iyo wamaze tuvuge ukiri muto, iyo uri muto nyine ugera igihe ugakura just ugahita ukura.
You grow.
Yeah. So iyo wakuze rero uba nkaho iyo wawanze ubwana wameze ubwana. I think
So
in
you were once a child, now you have a beard.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, ahari inzara haramuka inzigo.
Ahara inzara haramuka inzigo.
Yeah.
What does it mean?
Ahari inzara mukilala
njaa.
iyo muryamye n'inzara mubyuka mufite umutima mubi yani amufurahi muba mubabaye. Inzigo it means inzigo ni kikasiriko kingine.
When you go to sleep hungry, you wake up angry.
I think so. Yeah.
Oh, that rhymes. When you go to sleep hungry,
You wake up angry.
wake up angry.
Okay.
She told me to do it.
Ahari amahoro, to say?
Ahari amahoro.
Uruhu rw'imbaragasa.
Iyo na akalo.
Say
That looks slow. Ngoja sema yote kwanza.
Ahari amahoro, uruhu rw'imbaragasa rwisasira batanu.
Iyo ni too long. Too long.
But nakat short.
Too long. Okay, okay.
Nakat. Ahari amahoro.
Ahari mahoro.
Ahari amahoro.
Ahari amahoro.
Yes. Uruhu rw'imbaragasa.
Uruhiri rw'imbaragasa.
Uruhu rw'imbaragasa.
Uruhu rwi.
Okay. Uruhu rw'imbaragasa.
Rw'imbaragasa.
Rw'imbaragasa. Sema hivyo. Hapo kakitu ni
Ngri.
Rwi.
Rw'imbaragasa.
Yes. Rwisasira batanu.
Rwisasira batanu.
Yes. Umva se ari birebire.
Hiyo ni long sana.
Okay.
Me, very...
Uruhu rw'imbaraga sa?
Uruhu rw'imbaraga sa?
Kwisasira batanu.
Kwisasira batanu.
Agahinda k'inkoko.
Agahinda k'inkoko.
Kamenywa n'inkike yatoreyemo. Agahinda k'inkoko. Vuga.
Agahinda k'inkoko.
Kamenywa n'inkike yatoreyemo.
Kamenywa n'inkike yatoreyemo.
Exactly. Nasikia unajua. Agahinda.
Agahinda.
Suguhorurira.
Suguhorurira.
Subiramo.
Agahinda. Suguhorurira.
Ha?
Suguhorurira.
Suguhora urira.
Suguhora urira.
Yes. Umesema kafupi?
Agahinda. Suguhora urira.
Yes.
What does it mean?
Bese ukiwa na mwambie.
So kuna talent. I know everything.
Okay.
When your sadness isn't always about crying.
Okay.
Nivyo.
Okay, please. Agahwa kari kuundi karahandurika.
Mama.
Agahwa kari kuundi karahandurika.
Agahwa
kari kuundi karahandurika.
Agahwa kari kuundi karahandurika.
Nice.
What does it mean?
Agahwa kari kuundi karahandurika, it means wewe ukiumia mimi sisikii uchungu, wewe ndo unasikia mwenyewe.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yes.
Agahwa kari kuundi karahandurika, it means mimi sikusikii, hiyo sisikii, hiyo ni wewe ndo unasikia peke yako. Yeah, so karahandurika because ukiniambia maumivu yako, mimi sisikii hiyo maumivu yako, wewe ndo unasikia mwenyewe. Okay, Prince. Tuseme. Agapfa kaburiwe n'impongo. Agapfa kaburiwe.
Agapfa kaburiwe. Agapfa kaburiwe
n'impongo. Sema tusikie.
Agapfa kaburiwe. Agapfa kaburiwe n'ihongo. Nimongo.
Okay. So hii ni ile mtu akikwambia usipite njia. Usipite na unakata unapita. Ujue hapo kuna shida. Kama amekukataza unaendelea, it's your problem. Okay. Prince, agapfundikiye gatera matsiko.
Agapfundikire gatera amayiko.
Agapfundikiye gatera amaboko.
Ubwoko. Agapfundikira
gatera amatsiko.
Agapfundikiye gatera amatsiko.
Bivuze iki?
Yenye imefungwa inatoa mashida.
Yenye imefungwa haitoi shida.
Yenye inafungwa acha.
Agapfundikiye gatera amatsiko, it means
wait. Yenye imefungwa it removes the
problems.
No.
Trouble.
Agapfundikiye gatera amatsiko.
Whatever is closed.
Unaona kama hii inafungiwa. Huwezi jua nini iko ndani.
Curiosity.
Yes. So huwezi jua kitu iko ndani. Labda ufunue ndo utaona hiyo kitu ndani.
So whatever is closed.
Hata kama hawajaandika hapa, but you feel kufungua tu alafu uone hiyo ni nini. Thank you. Okay.
So whatever is closed brings curiosity.
Yeah.
Tell repeat. Sema hiyo tena.
Agapfundikiye gatera amatsiko.
Amatsiko sana ni curiosity. Okay. Hiyo na utaniuliza kesho na stajibu.
Najua.
Mkote nimesahau.
So vitu nawafunza sitaki msahau. Because kesho sitarudi tena nikiwaambia repeat it. No, ndio wanakuambia ile nimekufunza ni gani. And then you repeat it yourself.
Zote.
Mimi unaweza niambia tu kitu ulisema last na nakwambia
mimi ningeacha.
Yeah.
Okay. Unanisubira abikora?
Nipe tu moja tu, I'll do it.
Agapfa kaburiwe.
Niyo tu.
Sina bikubwiye kare.
So see you like
okay, agapfa kaburiwe n'impongo.
Ni mongo. Agapfa kaburiwe ni mongo. Yo, I don't think you explained yo. Yeah, you explained.
Agapfa kaburiwe n'impongo. Nimekwambia ukipita hii
njia. Ukipita njia uambiwe
usipite njia ni
kwa kichwa sasa.
Ulikuwa
connected tu nyingine. Now we've connected it. Yeah,
sasa tumeshikana.
Agahinda sugorulira.
Sadness it doesn't always mean you cry.
Exactly.
Feelings. You thought you were asking me. No.
Agawa kari kundi karahandurika.
That's you. Mom, she answered the last one. She answered the last one. That's you.
That's you.
Na basobanure mwese ngani muri aho.
Lakini si
agawa kari kundi karahandurika. Agawa kari kundi karahandurika. Mimi nataka tuseme.
Sasa answer the last one.
Okay, friends.
Yes, friends. You
if you're feeling pain, it does not belong to me and it does not concern me. It's not my problem.
Yeah, and too, when you feel pain, I don't feel it.
So now you
even though I'm same.
You start. You remember.
Agahinda k'inkoko kamenywa n'inki ya torimu.
Ngo?
Agahinda k'inkoko kamenywa n'inki ya torimu.
Hey, yo, you didn't tell us. Yo, you didn't tell us.
It was a first one. A first question.
Yo, you didn't tell us. You are lying.
Agahinda k'inkoko kamenywa n'inki ya torimu, it means inkoko kuku ikienda mahali kama imepigwa majiwe, kama imefanywa ni yeye ndo anajua hiyo maumivu yake imepitia.
So kuku sani mtu sasa.
Sana anarushia kuku.
Sasa si ni migani sasa. Migani wanaongea kuhusu kitu but ina come through to people.
Okay. So naongelea sa giraffe lakini yeye ni mtu. Hiyo giraffe ni prince.
Umwana murizi.
Umwana murizi
nta kurgurutozi. Umwana murizi nta kurgurutozi.
Umwana murizi nta kurgurutozi. Ni mangu kurgurutozi.
Nta kurwa urutozi.
Nta kurwa urutozi.
Yes.
Umwana
murizi
nta kurwa urutozi.
Yes. What does it mean?
I don't know.
It means unakumbuka kinambia naenda kwa rafiki yangu, nakwambia kwani unaendaga huko kila siku? No, but si hiyo. Si hiyo. Unaona ile mzazi wako akikukataza kitu. Yeye anajua. Yaani wazazi wenu wanawaoneaga mbali. Wanaoneaga kitu kiko mbali. So, if I tell you don't do this, don't do that, it means kuna kitu fulani nashindwa kukuambia but nikikwambia usiende usitembee usiku, it means there is something there. Hiyo kitu ya usiku isikupate. So hiyo ndo mwana murizi. Ukimwambia sasa hivyo, wengine wanakasirika. Mimi siwezi kubali. Unaenda. Na mwana murizi anakurutozi. Lakini ukipatana na hizo vitu ndo utarudi ukisema mama ninambeka. Ningejua ningeacha. You see? Hiyo ndo mwana murizi anakurutozi. Yaani nakwambia but usikii. Unafanya hiyo kitu nimekwambia. Si nyinyi ni example.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Impyisi iwanyu ikurya ikurundarunda.
Impyisi yanyu ikurya ikurundarunda.
Impyisi yiwanyu.
Impyisi sema.
Sini yako.
You interrupted me. So you speak.
Sorry.
No, you speak. No, I'm okay. You speak. You got it.
Impyisi
yiwanyu
ikurya
ikurundarunda.
Ikurya ikurundarunda. Ikurundarunda.
Yes.
Impyisi yanyu.
Impyisi, not
impyisi.
Yes.
Impyisi yiwanyu ikurya ikurundarunda.
Yes. What does it mean? It means what?
Your cat.
Cat?
Impyisi. Chini fisi. Like how you know?
Yeah, I think impyisi ama nani ile ingine inaitwa nani? Yeah, impyisi ya.
Fisi. Hyena.
Is it fisi? I don't know. Impyisi,
Hyena.
ingwe.
Let's just say it's hyena.
Yeah. Impyisi, it's nile.
Mhm.
Yeah, I think it is.
Hanga inakukula pole pole.
Ya kwenu inakukula pole.
Hunger.
Nisi.
Yani njaa.
Hanga.
Wanasema hunger.
Nasema.
Hyena eats you.
Why would you have a hyena?
Your hyena,
Hata mimi sielewi. Okay.
your hunger.
Ubonye nyina sa ashaje. Ubonye nyina ashaje. Vuga.
Ni njema.
Ni Prince.
Sorry.
Ubonye nyina ashaje.
Ubonye nyina ashaje.
Agira ngo se yataye inka ze.
Agira ngo se yataye inka ze.
Wow.
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 What wow.
This is shika. This is wow.
Okay. Uri umubyizi mukwe tusi.
Explain.
Ni explain.
Yeah.
Ubonye nyina ashaje ni Kinyarwanda inasikilizana.
Ukiona mama amezeeka.
Agira ngo inka zase zapfuye gusa cyangwa ntacyo.
You know, I don't understand.
She thinks
Yes, second
inyina ngongo iki.
Urabizi umuntu yagiye kurongorwa, yagiye gushaka. Sikwa wanapeanaga ng'ombe nini? So ukiona mama yako amezeeka, unafikiria baba yako amepoteza mali yake kulipa mali ya huyo mama yako. Ukiona mama yako amezeeka, unafikiria baba yako amepoteza muda. Yeah. Okay, uri umubyizi mukwe ntako batagize. Uburiye umubyizi mukwe ntako abatagize.
Sema aje?
Uburiye umubyizi mukwe ntako batagize.
Ngoja, repeat.
Uburiye umubyizi mukwe. Uburiye umubyizi mukwe ntako batagize.
Uburiye umubyizi. Yes.
Umubyizi.
Umubyizi.
Kuryo izo n'icyo kumubwa.
Uburiye. Umubyizi. Mukwe. Ntako. Aba. Atagize.
I'm good, guys.
Uburiye umukwe.
Okay. Turarangije ikiganiro cyacu ngo cyazanye ibibazo byinshi.
Amen. Have a good day. And hope you enjoyed the video. We'll be posting more content like this if you enjoyed it. Thank you for supporting us. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And
See you guys next time. And I won.
no,
I won.